ChatGPT is everywhere, slowly changing the world one conversation at a time. Artificial intelligence is definitely a game changer, especially when it comes to making money. We already covered a couple of ways you can earn cash with ChatGPT and zero investment, so make sure to check out our other videos. Now it's time to take it even further. Hi, I'm Jason, and today we'll share 5 more genius ideas on how to turn ChatGPT prompts into cash without spending a cent. Number 1. Start a branding agency. Branding agencies help businesses create and develop their brand identity. This includes business names, logos, website content, and everything else a modern business might need. ChatGPT can do all of these things. You just need to ask. Suggesting a business name, conceptualizing a logo, writing a company's About Us page, even generating eye-catching website copy. It all just takes a few minutes. The greatest advantage of ChatGPT is that you can have an ongoing conversation with it and refine the output as needed. That way, you don't have to start from scratch each time and share all the information about a business over and over again. Number 2, get into freelance writing. This idea is probably the easiest on the list. Start a freelance writing business with ChatGPT doing most of the work. It's great at writing all kinds of content, especially if you refine the process a bit. Instead of just saying, write an article about this topic, start by generating ideas and outlines. Once you have an outline for your article, you can ask ChatGPT to write each section. You can also ask it to come up with a great title and some keywords to use. In just a few minutes, you have a full SEO-optimized article ready to go. Number 3, start an email marketing agency. Now, this one might not be the easiest idea, but it has more than enough potential to be the most profitable one. Starting out easy. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write a friendly, punchy email to pitch your email marketing service. You can even generate several versions to see which one is the most effective. From there, use Google to find local businesses and start emailing them. Once you have your first clients, it's time to put ChatGPT to work. Use it to generate a list of questions to help you get to know your client's business. After that, ask the clients what type of emails they want to write. Make sure your prompts are detailed. For example, write an educational email teaching customers how to choose wall colors. Or write a marketing email prompting landscaping services with a 20% discount. You'll be amazed at what ChatGPT can do here. Refine them as necessary, and you're good to go. Get your invoices ready with ChatGPT, of course, and watch the cash roll in. Number 4, start a YouTube channel. Now, we talked about this in one of our previous videos, so we'll keep it short. The basic idea is simple. Find a niche where you can create faceless videos, like art, tech, travel, life hack videos, or something else. Check the best performing videos on YouTube to figure out the terms people are searching for. And you have your topics. From here, start generating video scripts with ChatGPT to use as a voiceover. You can generate it automatically or record it yourself. Once you're done, you can use a platform like Canva to put together your video with stock footage. Add some text, maybe some transition effects, and export your video to YouTube. If you're looking for a more detailed step-by-step explanation of this process with additional tips, make sure to check out our previous video. Number 5, get into affiliate marketing. There's a lot of money to be made in affiliate marketing, and it doesn't require any particular skill or experience. The best part, ChatGPT can do most of the work for you. You need to find a good affiliate marketing program and advertise products in exchange for a percentage on every sale. Once you join a program and you get your affiliate links, it's time to start generating content to advertise the products. We're talking videos, blogs, emails, social media. Each platform is an opportunity for more sales. ChatGPT can generate your content and optimize it for SEO and tailor it for a specific audience. How cool is that? All that's left for you to do is start posting the content along with your affiliate links and watch those sales grow. Our last video covers this topic in a lot more detail, so don't forget to check it out. Finally, if you want to start making money right now, make sure to check out the Pawns.app affiliate program. The link is in the comments. We provide you with a referral link. and all you need to do is share it. For every person that joins Pawns.app through your link, we'll share 10% of their earnings with you forever. It's great for long-term passive income, and you can get some marketing experience along the way. How cool is that? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this one, make sure to subscribe, leave us a like, and check out our other videos on different ways to make money with ChatGPT. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming video on the best ChatGPT hacks that will rock your world. See you soon.